Yes, of course, Vasudha certainly wants to stay there in Patna for next few days because the celebration that is happening in Patna, the kind of same atmosphere is here in Delhi as well. And after so many months, we are witnessing this kind of energy, enthusiasm that the Bharatiya Janata Party Karyakartas are having. There are dhol nagaras at the BJP headquarters, the workers celebrating over here, the kind of historic mandate that the Bharatiya Janata Party have got. It's huge in itself. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is in all likelihood would be coming to the BJP headquarters to address the cadres at around 6 p.m. And let me go across to the Bharatiya Janata Party कार्यकर्ताज over here. कितनी बड़ी जीत मानते हैं आप लोग आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी?
ये बहुत बड़ी जीत है भारतीय जनता पार्टी की, और ये सुशासन की जीत है, विकास की जीत है, नरेंद्र मोदी जी के विश्वास की जीत है और नीतीश कुमार के कार्य की जीत है। भाजपा और जेडीयू के मिलकर जो लड़ाई लड़ी है उसकी जीत है।
बिहार से अब पश्चिम बंगाल का बिगुल बज चुका है, आपको लगता है?
बिहार के जनता ने, बिहार के लोगों ने ये बता दिया है कि जाति चाहे अनेक हैं फिर भी हिंदू एक हैं। सनातन का झंडा पूरी मजबूती से लहरा रहा है। भगवा आ गया है, भगवा आ गया है और पूरी दुनिया में छाएगा।
Credit goes to Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Nitish Kumar as well. And as we can see over here, the barricading is on. There are big screens that are now being installed because Prime Minister is all likelihood going to come at BJP headquarters at 6 p.m. Gauri Dwivedi is with me as well here at the BJP headquarters. The kind of energy atmosphere we are witnessing, it's after a very long time, and certainly the BJP Karyakarta are saying that this is just the starting. The result will be ending at in the West Bengal elections. How do you see this energy?
Absolutely, Aishwarya. And while you were talking to several of those Karyakartas, and let's to tell Ankit in the studio also that every single one of them had something to say about the Laltain. You see so many of the Laltains here, and every single placard actually had Laltain is now going to be run by LED. And I think that's the most important part. 3 hours to go for the Prime Minister to come and speak to the Karyakartas. Extremely important, the messaging that will be there.
And the Karyakartas have brought the Laltain with them with the LED installed on that. So certainly they are saying that now Laltain is no more in the state of Bihar, and they will be all collapsing because the kind of mandate that the Bharatiya Janata Party
About development.
ऐश्वर्या